Across the Mediterranean, all eyes turn to the global صمود flotilla. Over 50 vessels carrying activists from 44 nations across 6 continents. It is the largest humanitarian flotilla of its kind in modern times. In roughly 48 hours, the ships are expected to reach Gaza's coast. If they get through, it would mark the first breach of Israel's 18-year naval blockade. Such a breakthrough could open the way for more aid convoys. Unforeseen allies have stepped in, sending naval vessels to safeguard the flotilla. Spain's Prime Minister just deployed a warship, describing the mission as strictly humanitarian. Greece has pledged safe passage through its territorial waters, and Italy has sent its own naval escort after nationwide strikes and protests pressured the Meloni government to guard the flotilla. But Israel has vowed to stop the fleet. Drones have already been spotted shadowing the convoy, and crews report intermittent electronic interference. It is now a standoff at sea. European warships and a fleet of civilian aid vessels on one side, Israel's military on the other. The next 2 days will reveal whether this flotilla delivers aid or is met with military resistance.